How do you plan for a software job, especially for a college graduate who is in last year, or maybe you have completed your college and now you want to get a job. Unfortunately, you did not get a campus selection. You should go. I'll give you a step-by-step guide you should follow it, and this will help you to get the job easily. Step number one, identify your initial role, where you want to go. Either you want to be a backend developer, you want to be an app developer, you want to be a cloud AI professional. You need to first do a market research for it. All all role have a job and opportunity. It depends on your interest and your capability. You should honestly give feedback to yourself. Like, or you can do take a kind of consultation with that professional. They will give you idea, or maybe even drop you a message. I can help you to identify what is your initial tech stack, or sorry, initial role you should target for. Second step is identify right language for your role. For example, if you want to be a mobile developer, you should find either you want to do a hybrid mobile development. By the way, that is trending right now. In hybrid, again, you will identify either you should go for a React. There are others also, but most popular nowadays are React. You can target for it, for example. If you want to be a backend developer, you can see what is the trending language there. It's a Java, it's a Node.js, it's a Python, Ruby Rails. There are so many things, right? You need to select which language is quite popular nowadays. I would say Java maybe, and with take Node.js, you can select it according to your interest. Both will in both, or even if you are selecting a Python, you will get a definitely sure. Third step is start building something. Build a small project, pet project. But idea of building a project is you will understand how to design product, how to deliver product and that means you ultimately you are building for a user, right? Once you go through this cycle, you will understand what is your role. As a developer, one of the interesting things is you should be master in one thing, whatever you are doing, but you should know what others are doing to make this product working. And this is very, very important. So you can't work in a cell. It's not like it's a teamwork, right? Ultimately, you're delivering something which will fulfill user requirement, and that is combination of backend, front-end, cloud, and even AI, and everything, right? So that is point number three. Once you're done with all three steps, right? Create a proper resume. Start applying through LinkedIn or Fiverr and many more, right? And I will also say start networking on LinkedIn. Start reaching out to seniors. They are involved in an interview with their company. You can reach out to them. And usually, like me, we like to hire candidates who know how to build from day one. Even if you are not best in that coding, that is fine. At least you should know how to build.